Okay guys, so the journey of the E30 build is not an easy one. So just a word of advice, if you're looking to build an E30, just know that you are going to be going to a whole lot of different shops. You are going to be making a whole lot of different phone calls, and at one place they'll tell you they have this part, they don't have the other you go there, they don't have, and all of that. So it's been only a week, but really it's been I'm like, what have I gotten myself into? But you know what, ultimately I think I look forward to the end result and actually having a car that you build yourself. You know, it's especially with me, it's my first time ever building a car. Always wanted an E30. I think, you know, I'll just make it my taste. So with that said, we are going to get ball joints because we are building the entire suspension. So we're getting ball joints. Yesterday I bought coilovers, but took them out of the box and there was a scratch on them. So I'm not sure what's happening, but I'm taking them back, and then yeah, let's. Okay, so here we are. We have the inner and outer ball joints. Got them from Volkswagen and they cost me 870. So now we are off to town, going to change the coilovers. So anyway, there's this place here, they sell engines, and I went in, they asked them if they have the M20 B25 engine, and the guy says he doesn't have, and it's a shitty engine. Well, as shitty as it is, that's the engine I want. I'm building it the way that BMW had built this car. Right, so anyway, let's be on our way. So I'm glad to say that they didn't give me any hassles. They just changed the coilovers, so I bought them at Auto Style. Haven't been to Auto Style in forever, but yeah, I bought them yesterday. And unfortunately what they said is that they travel from Germany, so chances are they got scratched en route because there's a whole lot of small pieces in there. So yeah, now I am off to go look for that heat resistant material for the firewall of the engine, and also to get some noise suppression there. Don't want to hear the engine sound in the car, so that's where we're off to now. Okay guys, so we just picked up a heat shield for the firewall right there. But now here's the thing, we picked it up at Suzuki, and when I got in there I saw a boulevard, and now I just really had to go out and leave the place so quick because I don't want to make a very bad financial decision right now. Yeah, but I saw a boulevard that I like. It's white, and